Hi, hello, welcome to the LINmagination channel. I am so happy that you decided to click on this video. Welcome to a stateroom tour of room 7022 on the beautiful Disney Treasure. This is a Navigator's Verandah stateroom, category 7A, and we are so happy to be here. Our theme is Aladdin. Let me go ahead and show you around. All right, so here is our entryway. We are at station B, and then in this first door is where a bathroom is. This is where the toilet is. We do have hand soap, extra toilet paper, tissue, and we have some shelves there, great for organizing your things, and we also have 2 hooks. Along this wall, you'll also be able to control the temperature in your stateroom. And then this other door is where the other bathroom is. So we have a full-length mirror that we can do your fit checks. And then we have a shower tub combo, another sink, plenty of towels. I love the DCL logo on them. We have sea salt bath soap. We also have sea salt body lotion. And I really like that we have glass doors instead of curtains like on the older ships. But as far as the amenities go, we have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I love the new design of the logos on the bottles, so pretty. We have a shower wand, some shelving to put all of your things. It's pretty spacious. And we also have a line that we can pull out, that way you can dry your clothes or like your swimwear. All right, now let's take a look at the closets. So we have lots of closet space. We have some of our things in here already. We've got hangers. You'll also find your life jackets in here. Thankfully for the drill, you do not need to bring them. We also have this laundry bag as well as laundry service pricing. The Treasure has a beautiful laundry room. So if you don't want to have to pay for each piece individually, you can go to the laundry room facilities. We also have a safe here. Let me open it up so you can see what kind of space you're working with. You can fit a laptop, phones, cameras, your iPads, Kindles. There's also like this trinket tray to keep your jewelry nice and safe. Now let's take a look behind these doors. More closet space. All right, let's take a look at our beautiful room. So on the left is where the door to get to the other stateroom is in case you booked connecting staterooms. We have this nice TV, and then across from the TV is the most beautiful mural of Agrabah. Oh my gosh. And take a look at this bedspread, so beautiful. And we do have a little nightstand on each side of the bed. We have different controls for the lamps and lights that are over here. So this controls the shade lamp, and then this bottom circle controls this lamp. You can also control the light for the artwork as well as the down light. So this is the down light. And then on the right side of our bed is where the international plug is located. And then on the left side of the bed, we have 2 power outlets, and it looks like we have a USB-C plug. And again, the same controls for the light switches on the side. And this is what the space looks like for the drawers. Underneath the bed, you do have plenty of room to store your luggage. And next to the bed is a seating area. So we have this nice curtain. That way you can pull it out and create some separation if you're traveling with other people. We have one little side table that is movable. This will pull down into a sleeper for a single person. We don't have a bunk bed in here since this room only sleeps 3 people. If you're finding this video helpful so far, I hope you decide to give it a thumbs up and stick around by subscribing to my channel. So across from the couch is this beautiful vanity. So underneath the vanity, we have this nice little chair here that we can sit and do your makeup or your hair. We have continental breakfast room service. So you'll want to select a delivery time and you can order things like juices, cereals, breads, and pastries, as well as milk. Now, if you're like me and you prefer to have more protein for your meals, then you'll want to go to Marceline's Marketplace or the sit-down restaurant for breakfast. And then we have this lovely postcard and some stationery. So here is the telephone. This is what you'll use to set up a wake-up call. You can also call guest services, order room service. And then down below here is where your trash and recycling center is. And then we've got lots of cubby space. I kind of wish that we had more cabinets so that way we can hide our things, but that's all right. And then we have several drawers here. This is where you'll find the hair dryer, and there's also a heat protector mat there. But opening these up so you can kind of get an idea of what the space is like. And then behind this cabinet is where the beverage cooler is. All right, let's take a step out into our veranda. So again, we have a Navigator's veranda. And we've got this nice enclosed space. So it kind of feels private. I really like it. So let me step back so you can kind of see what it looks like. So we have this full white wall over here. We have, you know, the standard 2 chairs and a little table. And here is our current view. So it looks like we've got the Carnival Vista over there. Voyager of the Seas, I think that's Royal Caribbean maybe. But something I wanted to point out about the stateroom is you do have a view of the running deck. So you're not over the water area. So that might be something you will want to consider if you would prefer to have just like ocean views instead of seeing people walking on the deck here. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Stateroom 7022, a Navigator's veranda on the beautiful Disney treasure. If you did, please be sure to give this a video a thumbs up, and I hope you decide to subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.